Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe's Diet Talk. I'm back again with a wonderful video on PCOS diet. Recent studies have proved that the main cause of PCOD or PCOS in women is due to the poor diet and sedentary lifestyle. Consumption of unhealthy foods which are high in sugars and low in nutritive values are the main culprits. Many women have this condition and they don't know because PCOD is a silent syndrome. Though the exact cause of PCOD is unknown, but the main contribution factors are insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia. So diet plays a very important role in PCOD. Do not skip the video as I have shared one entire day diet plan with timings. Without any further delay, let's get started with a whole day meal plan for PCOD or PCOS. Wake up meal, that is at 6 am. Start your day with a detox teas. Here I am giving you 3 options. Option 1, turmeric tea. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is an active compound which boosts the production of glutathione and supports the liver function. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Option 2, licorice tea. Licorice contains glycyrrhizin and glyceric acid. These two compounds will not allow to convert androestrogen male hormone to testosterone. So it is a very good option for people who have PCOS. Option 3, lavender tea. Some women have difficulty to sleep during the menstrual period. So lavender tea always help you to give that soothing effect and help you to relax. All the tea bags are readily available in the market. You can just grab it and use it. Early morning 7 am. You can have one fruit of your choice. You can have banana, orange, papaya, 1 cup, small apple or kiwi. Breakfast at 9 am. I'm giving you 3 options in the breakfast. Option 1, whole wheat dalia with veggies. You can have 1 big cup. Option 2, oats upma with veggies. You can have again 1 cup. Option 3, ragi malt or ragi porridge of 1 glass. All 3 breakfast options are excellent source of complex carbohydrates which can maintain your sugar levels. As it is rich in fiber, it will help in the healthy bowel movement, lower your cholesterol levels and also help you in losing weight. Mid-morning 11 am. You can have 1 handful of roasted chena or handful of dry fruits or 1 banana. You can opt for banana if you have not used in the early morning meal. Lunch at 1 pm. I am giving you 2 options in the lunch meal. Option 1, brown rice pulao with rasam or mint chutney. Option 2, quinoa with veggies. You can add peas, beans, carrot, cabbage, etc. Afternoon 3 pm. You can have roasted full makana with 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Makana is rich in nutrients. It may help you to stabilize your blood sugar levels and it may also support you in weight loss. Flax seeds help you to control the side effects associated with PCOD or PCOS. Evening at 5 pm. You can have either a baked vegetable cutlet without oil or 1 cup of vegetable soup or mixed veggie salad of 1 cup. Dinner at 7 pm. I am giving you 2 options in the dinner. Option 1, moong dal chilla or moong dal dosa of 2 pieces with green chutney. Option 2, multigrain roti 2 pieces with sprouts curry. Post dinner or bedtime meal. You can have cinnamon tea or chamomile tea. Cinnamon improves fertility in women and improves the regular menstrual flow. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is very calming and relaxing tea. Along with this PCOD diet, lifestyle management is very important. Sticking to healthy food, regular exercise, taking good amount of water and proper sleep is very important to manage PCOS. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like, please share and comment.